Good morning. What are you seeing?
A big tractor.
And a big tractor outside the house, isn't there? Who slept for 12 hours?
Me.
Yeah. It's literally 20 past 8 and I had to wake him up like 10 minutes ago. But he didn't go to bed till 8 because he had a nap in the car, so.
My rolling.
Your eye hurts.
Yeah.
His eye hurts again, he says.
Mama.
Yeah?
Look.
I'll put it in the bin, don't worry. You sit and watch your tractor, okay? Yeah? You're going to put it in the bin.
With me.
Okay. Mika's gone downstairs. She got up at like 7. Ari's still asleep. I woke up at 5 and I wanted a coffee since, but I didn't want to risk going downstairs and waking everybody up. So I've just sat here waiting.
Mama.
I'm going to go make coffee. We're attempting to make some churros for breakfast.
Hi.
Churro breakfast!
Ow.
Woo!
This is a giant one.
Foxy, what you got?
A carrot.
Have you just discovered you like chocolate spread? Yeah. Let me see. Oh, wow.
I got a giant.
Yum.
Look.
Is this a good breakfast?
Yeah.
What do we say to Granny Nana for getting us this?
Thank you.
So good. The first batch. It said like cooking for 11 minutes and they were so hard. So I did the second batch for 6.5 and they were really nice.
No.
Happy?
No.
Wow. Happy? Ari, what you got? I got these from the range. They're in the sale for like £6 each. I love them. Absolutely love them. They're so nice. So we went to the range. We got 2 cushions. And we had to get a Sainsbury's to do a little top-up shoppy shop. Just got like some flour and some fruit and some veggies. I got a new tin because my ones of these are all absolutely disgusting. Got cabbage because I'm going to make some cabbage roll in a bowl. Oranges for the kids. Garlic bread for tea tonight. Couldn't resist. The kids are arguing. What's happening? Mika, put PJs on for him. Thank you. The girls have just been arguing this morning and being mean to each other and just kicking each other for no reason. So they're not allowed to choose the telly or have their tablets today. So, yeah. Sorry, they're just arguing. So, yeah. Oranges, cabbage, pesto, tomato puree, wipes because we hadn't got any, nappies because we hadn't got any. The kids wanted some smoothies. Nearly ran out of this and I use it a lot. Ari got some cheese. I got some Baby Bell, more wipes, iceberg, mince for the kids want spaghetti bolognese, and then for my cabbage soup. Stuffing mix because I saw someone get a tin of new potatoes, like the little peeled potatoes that I have, and then coat them in this and then air fry them, and that sounds bloody amazing. Peppers for Aria, some garlic paste because I've run out. This because it was on offer. This was £2 for 8 peanut butter cups. Yeah, and then a Brussels sprout thing and a Quality Street thing. And I got 4 rolls of wrapping paper for £4, and they're like 8 metre double wide recycled paper ones. I got 2 sort of dinosaur printing ones and then 2 princessy ones, just for saving for throughout the year because they're not Christmas ones, they're just wrapping paper, but people have used them as Christmas, but I can have them now throughout the year for presents. Yeah. Oh, and flour and bananas and fruit and bin bags because I ran out of bin bags. Yeah, I'm gonna start making some lunch. We're all having cheese and crisp sandwiches because that's what we want. Yeah, Mika wants to do these later. Colour changing hot chocolate Harry Potter ones. My brother and Amy got them, so we might do those later. Right, Mika wants to do her hot chocolate. So this is a Harry Potter. This is a Ravenclaw one. So Mika, you do 2 tablespoons. Pour it in. Give me a second while we do this. Hold that, mate. Hold this.
Doesn't want to get out.
does smell good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, where's the lid? Alright, watch out. What colour do we think it's going to change?
Blue. It is blue.
How is that a hot chocolate? Why is it blue?
That's what.
Oh my goodness, that is crazy.
Yeah.
It smells amazing. No, it's hot. You do not come over here because it's hot. And look at it. It's blue, but you do not touch it.
This
And then
one
it
might
says-
be red or pink. Yeah, this one might be orange.
We're going to put a little bit of
green.
milk in it.
Yellow.
Going to put a little bit of milk in it to cool it down.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Milk. So, I love milk. Like
I know you love milk, but you're not having any milk right now.
That's light blue. My curry. Tastes good. Come on, try it. Is it good?
It's not good. Oh, it's boiling, Mika. Don't. Just wait a minute. That's very, very sickly. Chemically, she'll probably love it. You're gonna probably love it. We'll show you when she has it. It's too hot. Wow. Ari's doing her. Excuse me, sir.
I put the fluffy bits in
The
there.
pet adoption truck. Her clay stuff.
I already made
Someone is not helping. Excuse me. He keeps fighting everything, doesn't he?
Yeah.
You're not being a helpful boy, are you? No. Mika's gonna have a go at her diamond painting. Banana. Bananas in his stomach. What's he doing now?
He just put his paw on that.
Gary! Fox is playing his penny machine. Let me see, Bubs. You show me. Turn it off and then we'll get some out. Look. There you go.
Okay, put them all back in.
Yeah, now you put them all back in.
Wait.
Good boy, put them in.
You want to play it?
Thank you for my kisses. Mummy's just making some soup. I'm just making my cabbage roll soup. My dinner, I feel like I need all the vegetables, all the health. Mika has tried her disgusting hot chocolate and says she likes it, but she's been on it for a while now and it's barely gone down, so I'm not convinced. The Christmas tree is outside. I can't remember if I showed you or not. The Christmas tree is just outside the window. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but it is there. Yeah, I'm now just going to blitz the kitchen, finish the soup, and then play penny machine with the boy. How cool is this bath bomb? I love it. You like it, Foxy?
Yeah. What is the rainbow feeling? I'm holding a rainbow.
Okay. I don't know what the time is. Just had a bath. 8:30. Kids are all asleep. And I've done downstairs. I'm just filming my chin. I am gonna watch some Netflix and have a cup of tea in bed and then go to sleep. Because all the kids slept amazingly last night, so I feel like I'm probably going to be in for a bad night tonight, but we shall see. So tomorrow, if the weather is dry, I'm going to try and get in the garden and do some cleaning.